guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lily and I make videos about what life is really like here in beautiful Bella Calabria. Please come along with me as I explore all things Southern Italy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome to Calabria Dreaming! You guys, I have a very special project that I've been working on for the last 3 months and I'm so excited to share it with you guys today. I have been flipping my very own rental that I'm going to be renting out and I'm going to be managing. It's totally all of my choices. My boyfriend let me do exactly what I wanted. So I want to show you guys the before and some of the footage of during, and then today I'm going to show you the actual finished product. It's so awesome, you guys. This rental is going to be available for long-term and short-term, and I'm going to create a bunch more like it, so stay tuned for that. But if you guys want to come to Calabria, you want to live in the heart of Catanzaro, walking distance to everything, this apartment is next level. So take a look at the before. As you can see, it was a big, wide open space. It used to be an office that was a blood analysis office. So it had no kitchen, very small bathroom that you will see. Look how awful that bathroom is. And it had a couple of challenges because we couldn't move the bathroom and we had to put the kitchen in a specific location due to plumbing. But it was just basically a wide open space, no walls, nothing. The only good thing about the apartment was that it was insulated already, like the roof, because this is an attic apartment. And here I am just kind of like talking about it with my boyfriend, what we want to do, what our plans were. It's a small space, but I wanted it to feel really, really cozy. So here is the before. And let's go see it now, the after. Hey guys, come on in, have a look. You guys, the transformation is complete. This house was the house of nightmares. When I tell you I had everything stacked against me, I am not kidding. First of all, let's just enjoy the beautiful kitchen that comes from Mondo Convenzionale that I will never work with. We had to get a crane to pull this piece up because the door is too small. So I had to get a crane in the last minute. We had this pulled up through the balcony. This used to be an old office space, so we kept the floors, but everything else, as you can see, new doors, wall. This sofa bed pulls out. You got your television, your smart TV. And let me show you guys the rest. Come with me into the bedroom. Ta-da! I mean, California vibes. Hello. Super comfortable bed, lots of pillows. As a Californian, some surfer waves. Also, look, we have a little closet in here. So, and then air conditioning in both rooms. And then, because this is how amazing I am, a separate laundry room, you guys. Check this out. Because I hate laundries in the bathroom. So I put the washing machine back there. It's also ready for a dryer if they want a dryer. And then look at the freaking view. And from here, you can see the ocean, or the sea. Mediterranean Sea right over there. You'll see the sunrise. So, okay guys, and then let me show you the bathroom. This bathroom, if you remember from before, it looked awful. And now, look at it. Beautiful! With a huge walk-in closet. Look at this. So much space. I can turn around. I can be with my man in here. There's enough space for 2 people. Like, hello, and there's no washer in here. All of the tile, everything that you see was chosen by me. Every single piece. Every single piece was late. Every worker that ever showed up was late. Nobody was on time, but I got her done. I got her done. So, you guys, thanks so much for watching. If you are interested in renting, please go ahead and email me at calabriadreaming@gmail.com.